Students, we are going to discuss JEE Main 2019, 9th April, first shift problems. So you know that maths questions are starting from question number 61. So let me give the first problem of that paper. Question number is 61. This was the problem. I hope this is visible. The function. They are given this function fx x square by 1 minus x square. This is surjective. Surjective means onto function. Surjective or onto. So we know this concept, a function from x to y. This is onto, provided this condition. Range of this function. Range of this function should be the second set. So range means, you know that it is the collection of y such that y is connecting with some x, that x also real. So we want to check the value of y for which that x is real. That's the concept. The value of y for which the x is real. For this, what we will do, we can have that y is here. We will cross multiply that y. You know y is coming out b. Y is coming out b. X square. Y equal to x square dividing by 1 minus x square. So we want to cross multiply this. So after cross multiplying, you will get, this will be y minus x square y equal to x square. Or you can see that from here we can find out x square value. That x value is coming out b. X value is coming out be something like this. You see the x is coming out be that x equal to y dividing by root of 1 plus y. Because usually you know that this y cannot be minus 1 and positive region you can check it something like this. This is also positive, this one also positive. So if they are giving minus infinity to minus 1, open interval, union 0 to 1, 0 to infinity. This is the y value. So range means collection of y for which x should be real. So let me give you the options again. Options are coming out B. These are the options they are giving. So from here, we don't want that minus 1. Value between minus 1 and 0 is we don't want. So the correct answer for this is coming out be this A part. The correct answer is A. So you see, this was the concept. A function they are giving, that fx equal to x square dividing by 1 minus x square. This is surjective. Surjective function means this is onto function. Function is onto, provided the second should be the range. So what do you mean by range? Range should be like this. The function f such that range of f such that will be the collection of y such that y should be fx, provided x should be real. Y equal to x square dividing by 1 minus x square. After cross multiplying, we are getting something like this. So y is the collection minus infinity to minus 1 union 0 to infinity. So 0 is included, minus 1 is not included. So we can subtract minus 1 to open interval, closed open minus 1 0 from the set of real numbers. This is the first problem. I mean 61th problem they given. Now we are moving on to the question number 62. That means second problem of this paper. Let me write that problem. This was the problem. The question is from quadratic equation. Here, P and Q real number. This P and Q should be a real number. So whenever P and Q are real number, one of the root is 2 minus root 3. The option is given. So irrational roots is also coming in conjugate pairs. For this question, for a favorable approach is they given the option. So we will check with the next root is 2 plus root 3. So alpha equal to 2 minus root 3 and that second root is 2 plus root 3. Because there is a chance, we know that in quadratic equation, the other root should be, if one of the root is irrational number, then the other root may be its conjugate. So options are available. We are moving on to checking with that value. So you can see that sum of the roots from this equation, we have the sum of the roots alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, from the equation we have alpha plus beta equal to minus p, alpha into beta equal to q. So sum of the roots, that means minus p become 4, that means p equal to 4, p equal to minus 4. Again product of the roots q, product of the root is 4 minus, this is 1. So we can verify with the option p equal to minus 4 and p equal to minus 4, and you can see that p equal to minus 4 and q equal to 1. We want to check with the option. So you see p square minus 4q, you can check it, p square minus 4q. P square minus 4q is from the option we are checking p square minus 4q. This is coming out be 16 minus 4, that is this is equal to 12. So you can have this option p square minus 4q equal to 12. So we want to check that options also. So let me check it that p square minus 4q, p square minus 4q, please check the option, or let me give that option again. So these are the options they given. So this is coming out be p square minus 4q equal to 12. So clearly it is visible from here. This C option is the correct option. Answer is C. So we discussed two of the problem from this paper, 9th April, first shift 2019 JEE Main. The remaining we will discuss in the next class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And if you have any queries related to this, you can WhatsApp me also. My WhatsApp number, let me give you, 8285 223305. Please WhatsApp me your queries and full question paper. You can WhatsApp me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.